How to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video I will show you how you can cancel your Amazon Prime membership, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now keep in mind that Amazon Prime versus Prime Video is actually different. Amazon Prime is basically a shopping membership where you also include some other Amazon plans, whilst Prime Video is only a streaming subscription, so you just want to keep that in mind. So if you're talking about cancelling your Prime Video membership, then we've already made another video on that. You can just check that out on our channel. This video is totally going to focus on how we can cancel our Amazon Prime's membership. So first of all, launch the Amazon shopping application, and then from the bottom of the screen you'll find this little profile icon. You just want to make sure to tap on that profile icon. Once you tap on that icon, here you'll find the option that says your account at the very top, so you just want to tap on that option. And as you've done that, you'll find the option that says memberships and subscriptions, so you simply want to make sure to tap on that option again. As you go to memberships and subscriptions, on the next page you'll find Prime membership settings, as you can see over here. So as you can see, I have Amazon Prime membership. It also includes delivery, Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Prime Music, and so many more. So what you need to do is just go to Prime membership settings, and then at the top you'll find manage membership button. You want to just tap on that manage membership button, and then you'll find the option called membership again. Just tap on it. And then over there, you will find the option that says end membership, and this is the final step. Once you tap on the end membership option, it will ask you for a confirmation to cancel your benefits, and last but not the least, you just have to tap on the option called continue to cancel in order to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. And that's all it takes to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.